Hey guys, today we'll be taking a look at the DK63. It's a 60% mechanical keyboard with dedicated arrow keys. You can use it either wired or wireless via Bluetooth. It was sent to me by the manufacturer called Dierya. Now let's take a closer look. The box contains the keyboard user guide, a keycap puller, and a braided USB-C to reversible USB-A cable to charge the keyboard or use it plugged in. The keyboard comes in either black or white, and you can choose between black, brown, blue, or red switches. The case and keycaps are made of ABS plastic with a slight matte texture. The case is thick enough, so there's no flex, and it has a nice weight to it, so it really doesn't feel cheap. However, the keycaps are rather thin and have that typical gaming keyboard typeface, but you can always swap them out for a higher quality keycap set later. The case is at a set angle, so you can't really adjust it like other keyboards with kickstand feet, but it's comfortable to type on, so that's not an issue. Also, under the case is where the on-off switch is to toggle the Bluetooth. Inside the case, they have a sizable 1900 mAh battery for going wireless, and there's also foam that sits under the PCB to absorb some reverb, which is surprising to see in a budget keyboard like this. The switches are soldered to the PCB, and unfortunately it has screw-in stabilizers. Upon a closer look, they do seem to be lightly lubed to minimize rattle, which is good. This keyboard supports up to 3 Bluetooth devices simultaneously, and you can easily switch between them by holding the function key and pressing either Z, X, or C. You can change through 8 different light mode effects such as reactive, wave, ripple, and aurora mode by holding down the function key with the / key. You can adjust the brightness by holding function with the up or down keys, and left and right to adjust the speed of the LED lights. Now for the sound test. It has a higher pitched clacky sound signature with a slight rattle on the stabs, but I would say that the foam under the PCB absorbs a lot of unpleasant noise. Overall, I think this is a good keyboard for people who are just getting into the hobby. Its small form factor allows for more room for your mouse while gaming, and still has dedicated arrow keys for those who can't use them without them. So those were my first impressions of the keyboard, and if you're interested in buying one of these for yourself, I have the link down below. Until next time, bye!